Kalimpong jingakran halor kakot balatip kum ka Modi at 20 Dreams Meet Delivery. Lapenlong ha Multi-Use Convention Center ha kejingya donlang jong usar Bananda Sonowal ubalong menteri kena ke Sorkar Pedeng bapet ya katanat Ayush Waterways but Shipping. Lapalai pet ya kini kakot ha kakatway tereg ujemang arajar arpuar ha Vigyan Bhawan New Delhi da Vice President Barim Kari u M Venkaya Naidu. Kini kakot kadon arpuwaitli kilenong ya kabalat ho da kinong pau khmat bakintop nado menteri katanat kamyadari u Amit Shah u National Security Advisor u Ajit Doval bat Sudha Murthy bat kiwi kinong tho basyempang. Hakni kakot latho syapang kajing im jong menteri rang bakdo kari ha kabedai bat ki kam san hima ha kini ki arpaus nem balak dem. Kabakintop nado kapor bu dang long kum menteri rang bak kajala Gujarat hadu bo ndalong kum menteri rang bakdo kari India. Ya kabala lumjing tip da ki kraw perkhat ki badon ha kakam khai pateng bat ki kam san hima. Ya kini kalumpong jingyatai la penlong da kinong hikai ka skul ba nihu kumsi benta banyak keren syapang kini kakot. Habakren ha kini kajingyalang usunawal ulaong. Ba kijing trishitom jong umudi ban kentiu ya kathan stay la mingi. Kadai si benta jong kajingyat lenti jong u bat kini kakot ka penpau ya kini kikmat trikam jong u.
Which has been written about his 20 successful years of regime as a chief minister as well as a prime minister of India. He has spent many nights in many districts and having in-depth interactive session with the villages, with the people of Northeast, trying to learn the language of Northeast, trying to learn the tradition of Northeast, trying to learn the traditional skill of Northeast. So that is how he had his
Kaseng kabadon ha kaliang